So you have a school on Teachable now, and you're wondering, is anyone showing up and what are they clicking on? Well, stick around to find out how you can start collecting that data today. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of getting started with Google Analytics so that you can add it to your Teachable school. So let's dive in. It's pretty easy to get started with Google Analytics. You just sign up for an account. To get your tracking ID, go into Admin, Tracking Info, and Tracking Code. And then you can just copy paste that tracking ID into Teachable in Settings Integrations. So why do we care about Google Analytics anyways? Well, number one, users. Number two, sessions. Number three, the bounce rate. And number four, session duration. Now, this isn't all we care about for sure, but these are the top four metrics that you're going to want to start with at least. So the number of users that visit your site, that's of interest. And the sessions, that's the number of sessions that your site has. Now this is defined as the number of times someone visits your site. The bounce rate is the percentage of people who leave your site immediately for whatever reason. It could be that your site is taking too long to load. And number four, session duration, that has to do with the amount of time a person has spent on your site. All right, so that was short and sweet, and tomorrow's video I get into creating views and filters. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.